Well, a tornado siren's going off. I gotta look. Let's see. Well, let's look this way. I was just about to eat my breakfast I cooked, which is rare that I get up and cook. Let's see. I don't see anything this way. Let's go look the other way, because actually the tornadoes are the other direction from me. Let's go see. Well, oh, it looks pretty bad that way. I see no tornado. Maybe they were just getting it ready, because there is a tornado about 35 miles from me. Well, that's the way my day started out. Tornado warning. Thanks for watching, everybody.